Hello guys, so welcome to KO Tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have started with the modeling of this WAG12b locomotive over here. So let's continue it. So now what I'll be doing over here is like I'll be modeling with this bottom area over here. So we'll be starting up with it. So how we can do over here is like, very first of all, I'll just extend this. I can just convert to editable poly. I'll select this polygons and I'll slightly shuffle it a bit inside over here. So whatever details are there, we'll be just creating it over here. So let's just take a box first over here. I'll just take a box. I'll just shift this till here. I'll scale it, convert to editable poly. So select this, just give two connects over here, go into the vertices, slightly just shuffle this down over here, and I'll go into the vertices, I'll slightly shuffle it a bit inside and I'll push it up, push it inside over here. So now how we can model this area, it's very simple over here. I'll just go over here, I'll take a line tool over here. So let's just take a line tool till here. So I'll slightly shuffle it in this way. So if you look at it closely over here, I can slightly just shift this down, rendering, enabling viewport, make it rectangular and increase this a bit, slightly shuffle this till here, and I'll increase its width more over here. So you can increase the width as you require it accordingly. So slightly I'll shuffle this a bit down. After that, I'll increase its length a bit over here. Keep this over here in this way. I'll convert to editable poly. I'll select this. I'll slightly shuffle this up over here. After that, I can go into the polygons. I'll select this polygons over here. I'll give a bit of inset and I'll slightly extrude it a bit inside over here. After that, if you look at it closely, we can slightly shift this a bit closer over here. So let's take a circle over here. I'll just go to the top view over here. Enabling viewport, I'll off this. I'll go over here. I'll scale this a bit over here. I'll slightly shift this up. And just give a modifier, that's extrude modifier over here. place it down. You can increase this thickness of this modifier. I'll go into this view over here. I'll take a line over here like this. After that, and extrude it again. Just shuffle it a bit inside over here and just duplicate that in this way. So I can select this and I can just slightly shuffle this down. And now I'll go into this. I'll take a helix over here. I'll just activate this auto grid. I'll go over here. I'll go down and I'll increase the turns and I'll make the radius as 1. Push it up, increase the turns again over here. Slightly shuffle it inside. Enable in viewport, make it radial. After that, I'll just go to the top view over here and I'll just take a cylinder over here. Slightly, I'll shuffle this down. And reduce the height segments, increase the height over here. So there are a lot of details, so we'll be doing this. So again, make one more cylinder and shuffle it inside. So select this whole thing and let's make a duplicate of it. So select this, shift and drag, make a copy of it. After that, just zoom that. So definitely there are a lot of details, so we need to do it slowly over here. So again, I'll take a line tool over here. Again, I'll just off this, enable in viewport, and make it as rectangular. Increase this, convert to Editable Poly, select the vertices, slightly just shuffle this inside and we can push it up. Behind, slightly shuffle this inside in this way. After that, So definitely we are generating some of the details over here. Now over here I'll go over here and I'll take a cylinder over here. I'll just intersect this cylinder over here and I'll take one more copy of it. So select this, compound objects, pro boolean, will subtract this part in this way, much better now. So we have just cut out this area over here. After that, I'll again make one more copy of it. I'll just shuffle this till here. Just take a box over here, or else take a cylinder, reduce its sides, so I'll just increase its sides over here. I'll slightly increase the radius. I'll push it over here. Convert to poly. Select the polygons. Slightly insert it and extrude this up over here. Okay, so whatever details are visible over here, we are creating those details, not a problem. So after that we'll be also having this kind of stuff which will be modeling over here. So you can do that. Now I'll again take a box over here. I'll just take a box over here. I'll convert to Editable Poly. Select the vertices. I'll just scale it down and I'll rotate it slightly over here in this way. So let's just shuffle this behind over here. So whatever details are there, you can just create those details over here. Select this polygon and let's slightly give a bit of bevel over here. So definitely we need to create something which is going to support this bottom area over here. So the same thing will go behind also. So I'll just go over here and I'll mirror it, copy it in x-axis and I'll just put it over here. So just save your file over here. So definitely it's going to take time because we are definitely generating the details. So now over here, what we can do over here is like you can just take again a box over here. So let's just take a box till here and I can just keep this I'll scale it, increase its size. So definitely we'll be doing some changes over here. Convert to editable poly. Select this. Let's give 2 connects over here. Select the polygons. Extrude it up. So select the vertices. Scale it in this way. After that, let's just shuffle this till here. Rotate it slightly. Push it inside. Take again a cylinder. I'll increase its size over here. And I'll again make one more copy of it. I'll go over here in this way. And I'll take a helix over here. I'll just off this. Alright, so let's enable in viewport, make it as radial over here, go down, increase its height and reduce the turns over here, increase its thickness if required. So whatever details we want to achieve, we can do that. I'll slightly shuffle this till here. Alright. So whatever is clearly visible will be modeling that. We'll be utilizing some other references also over here. So please do like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So if you have not subscribed yet, please do subscribe. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the coming tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.